Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am here to show you how to make for yourself a homemade hand sanitizer in these challenging and difficult moments of our lives when we all are fighting the coronavirus, COVID-19. It's a simple project, if you choose to call it that, and you need aloe vera gel and alcohol. You may choose to add some essential oil. I prefer the peppermint because of its fantastic aromatherapy. So, and I'm trying to make a quick gel hand sanitizer. So I need more of the gel to give it that liquid suspension. So this one is good, but it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So I'm trying to give it some alcohol property, and I chose an alcohol that is 91% concentrated. So I would add some of this alcohol in this mixture, shake it all up, then some essential oil to give you the aroma so that you wouldn't be smelling like a hospital ward when you want to keep safe from the coronavirus. So anyway, let's get started. So gonna open this all up, and I've removed the portion from this aloe vera gel. So because this is high concentration, I'm gonna add some of it, then shake it all up. It's gonna lose some of its gelling properties, right? Because you adding some other thing to it. So so we're gonna end up with something similar to this. It still needs a little bit of alcohol, so let's not forget our essential oil. Alright, so add a few drops in there. That's great. Not too much, okay? It's just to give it that nice smell, so that it will save you the smell of hospital ward. So just a quick one. The mixing proportion is 2 portions of aloe vera and 1 portion of alcohol, so that we can maintain the gel property of the aloe vera. So if you put too much alcohol, it'll all turn liquid. So the essence of maintaining the gelation of the aloe vera will be defeated. So give it a shake. See? So it's all mixed now. So if you think it's too thick, you can add more alcohol. But what I try to achieve is to use a high concentration of alcohol, so that the 1/3 in it will also retain at least 60% alcohol in the total volume, right? So that is what we're trying to achieve. So there we go. Breathe out. Hand sanitizer. Smells. It doesn't smell like hand sanitizer because the peppermint oil is giving it a whole different aroma. So the next thing I did is I got this from Dollarama. So you can actually put some of them in here, put it in your bag, and you can use it to sanitize yourself when you're outside, right? So I'll show you guys in a minute. So close it all up, open it here. Yeah, that's it. So please stay safe, stay home, self-isolate if you need, quarantine if you need, get medical attention if you're showing signs. Most importantly, we need to breathe at the end of this pandemic. That is all we are all aiming for. Like, share, subscribe. I will post another video on how to make your hand sanitizer, this time no longer in the gel form but in a liquid form that you can spray, kind of to spray on your doorknob or whatever you want to disinfect, to make sure that the coronavirus is far, far, far away from you and your family and your loved ones. Stay safe. Catch you guys in the next video.